Hello everyone, and welcome to Inorganic and Organic Chemistry. I think by this point you all know me, but I will introduce myself anyway. I'm Dr. Emilia Bertolo, and I'm a principal lecturer in chemistry here at Canterbury Christ Church University. I'm also the Deputy Section Director for Natural and Applied Sciences, which is the section in which the chemistry program is sitting. I would like to warmly welcome you to this module, Inorganic and Organic Chemistry. I'm the module director and I will be delivering all of the workshops and face-to-face tutorials. This is a module which is very dear to my heart because it combines my two passions and fits really well with my background, inorganic and organic chemistry. I have a BSc and a PhD in chemistry, which I got in Spain. And although my original background, my BSc, was in inorganic chemistry, during my PhD, I had the opportunity of specializing in organic chemistry, especially in organic synthesis, which is why I tend to pick chemistry modules that have a high or strong organic chemistry content. So clearly this module is ideal for me because it fits my two passions. We've got two types of sessions on this module. We have some online workshops and we also have some face-to-face tutorials on campus. And they're very different in nature. The online sessions, which take place, let me look my notes, on Thursdays between 9 and 11, will take place in the Collaborate room for this module. And they are more similar to what you are used to from last year. I will set the content for those sessions. I will give you some lecture recordings, exercises to practice, chapters of books or research papers that I will expect you to read, and I will expect you to come prepared to those sessions. And then in those sessions, we will solve exercises or do questions or discuss papers. I will be setting the content for those sessions. The bookable tutorials on campus, we have a few throughout the whole semester, are different. In those, I will not be setting any new content, and I will expect you to come with questions. So there will be question and answer sessions. So it's a good time to talk to me about the assessment, to discuss maybe a concept that you haven't quite understood when watching one of the recorded lectures, to do an exercise that maybe we didn't have time to do during the online session, or maybe as an exercise that we did during the online sessions, but you didn't quite get it and you want me to go over it. So there will be no new material. It will be an opportunity for you to catch up with your reading and the exercises and to interact with me face-to-face in the same room. It does say in several places there are bookable tutorials, but because of the small size of this group, we all fit in the room. So you do not have to book the on-campus tutorials, but you can simply turn up. There will be a space for all of us. I will email you before the tutorial takes place, just to tell you the room number in which room we will be in, or you can check it using unit timetables and just searching for the name of this module, Inorganic and Organic Chemistry. Additionally, there are also two practical weeks, of which, although they are general for the three modules you're studying this semester, there will be a substantial amount of time in those practicals dedicated to practicals which are associated with this module, Inorganic and Organic Chemistry. From my notes, you are starting on practicals the week of the 27th of September, in the first practical week, and your second practical week will be the 8th of November. And you're familiar with the setup. It's an intensive practical weeks, 5 days, 6 hours a day, 9 till 12, 1 to 4. So they're quite intensive. And we will not have sessions during those weeks. You will be exclusively in the labs. You're always very welcome to contact me. I hope that by now you all know me and are happy to email me to organize a tutorial. We can have an online tutorial if you prefer, and those will need to take place on Mondays, Tuesdays, or Thursdays. We can also have a face-to-face tutorial, and those need to be either on Wednesdays or Fridays, which are the days of the week that I'm going to be on campus. So simply email me if you have any questions, or if you want to organize a tutorial, just drop me an email and we can find a suitable time to meet. And this is all from now. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our first session. I hope you enjoy the practical week. And in the meantime, if you have any questions or any doubts, if you want to drop me an email, organize a tutorial, whatever, just let me know. So thank you very much for watching.